Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel FitFly. In today's video I'm going to tell you about the interview of Indigo. Indigo hiring ground staff for 3 base stations: Chandigarh, Lucknow and Delhi. I will describe about the job roles. They are hiring for the customer service, ramp and security for the 3 stations, right? Lucknow, Delhi and Chandigarh. I will tell you about the job roles, how to apply. I will put a link how to apply for all 3 stations. First I will put a Delhi, then Chandigarh and Lucknow. I will put all 3 links in my description box, you can check there. Then I will let you know about the job roles, what are the purposes and of the AO and CS, customer services and the ramp and security. The first of all, the work of the customer service staff is for the reservation and ticketing. The first they mentioned in their job role: making reservations across the counters, selling of tickets, remitting cash to the concerned department and answering customer queries over the telephones. These are your work at the ticketing office. Then through departures, you have to attend the pre-flight and post-flight briefings, setting up of check-in counters, you have to just check in, screening of the check-in bag, maintain high quality of check-in procedure, you have to just check in for the passengers for the next flights, to assist customers with special requests, work of a customer service department ground staff at arrivals, to assist customers with a special requests, to assist customer with mishandled damaged bag and prepare all records for the report for the same upcoming flights, what are the flights coming, departure, arrival, what are the ETA, estimate time arrival of the flight. You have to note everything and report to your senior. You have to just make a report. Follow up the en route station regarding lost baggage. These are your work as the customer service. And the last one is the post-flight departure, filling all of necessary flight papers, any other responsibility assigned by the management from time to time. Be aware of any comply with his or her safety responsibilities and accountabilities as laid down in the Indigo SMS manual, chapter safety of policy and objectives. These are the ground staff Indigo work, mainly ground staff work as a customer service. If you are hired for the customer service, you have to they brief you about everything, because in the interview they will ask about what is the job role of a customer service if you are applying for a customer service. Okay, then there is the next position which is the ramp. Job responsibility of ramp officer is confirm the ET of the flight from OCC or the system, the Navitaire system Indigo use. Take the bay number from apron and convey it all station on the RT. You have to just mention everything, flight bay number. These are the key roles. Align the ramp properly, checking the cleaning and take the boarding clearance from the cabin crew. Announce it on RT. RT is the walkie-talkie mainly. Okay. Make sure loading is done as per loading instruction report given by the load and stream staff. These are the fill the ramp filling. These are the work of a ramp staff as a ground staff in any airline. Mainly this is for the Indigo. What are the job roles? They described everything in this. Then next come is the job description about the security. Primary responsibility. You will be responsible for implementation of security policy and procedures laid down by the company. And the mission. You have to secure the safe operation, punctuality, customer satisfaction, team efficiency and cost control. And the last one is just secure good working atmosphere and environment. Focus, you have to just focus on the manage safe and secure operations in accordance with security programs and applicable procedures. Function responsibilities are mentioned, approx 10 points are there. If I am reading everything, the video is so long. And in Indigo, in last they mentioned that Indigo never asks for money for any interview or any hiring. You don't have to pay any money for the being in an interview to be hired and anything else. They clearly mentioned that be aware of and then comply with his or safety responsibility and accountabilities, because the Indigo never asks for money for interview or hiring. If you anything goes wrong, if anyone wants money from you, there is a fraud mail that is mentioned. You can just report on the Indigo website. Refer to our job website careers.goindigo.in or goindigo.app.parm.ai for official job postings. I will put every video of Indigo, of every airline which are coming for the interview. Just I will put a description link. You can apply. There is mentioned that job ID is mentioned, job type, it's full-time job, location Chandigarh, Delhi and Lucknow. Experience and freshers both can apply. Okay, 0 to 7 years experience, business in terminal services, organization, airports services and customer services, airport operations, and the posted 2 days ago. The HR name is there. Just these are the 3 interviews upcoming. For the just you can go and apply for the Chandigarh, Lucknow and Delhi. If any problem goes wrong how to apply, or you are facing any problem in applying, just you can comment down. I will help you out. I will just put my Instagram link there. These are the purposes of ground staff, so keep calm. And I also mentioned one video I earlier made about how to apply, what are the questions they ask in an Indigo interview, how many rounds of interview was there, and last they mentioned that you have to wear mask in an interview. When you apply, you will get if your CV is, you have to upload a CV. Okay, if you're selected, your CV is selected, they will send you a mail for the job interview location, everything is mentioned there. Just you have to appear. How to apply, I will put a link of the description box. That earlier video in which it mentioned how to apply, what are the job roles, how the descriptions, how the interview will be done, everything is mentioned in the video. In the next video I will put a link, all 3 links for the applying Indigo for Delhi, Lucknow and Chandigarh, and the 4th link will be the next upcoming how to apply videos and how to apply for the interview. I will just put a link there, so that will help you. So all the best guys. Just aviation is growing now day by day. Just keep calm. Many unemployed people are outside. Just you have to keep calm and just focus on your goals, whatever you're preparing for. Just prepare yourself best. The first round maybe the Indigo. In the first round they will put a intro, maybe the group intro, then will be GD. I will describe it, the video will be so long, so I will put everything in the link. So all the best guys, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe with the people. You can just share with the people who are ever unemployed, who are willing to join the aviation industry. These are the best opportunities you have to join. Just you can go through the video and everything. All the best guys. Thank you.